Don't get too close to him. That's kind of weird. There's baby birds, it's not spring. Don't chase them. Quit chasing them, just look at them. He's gonna go into the car and you're gonna make him get out in the road and get hit. They're gonna go under the car for shelter. Is it weird that you get to be that close to a baby bird? Look, that one flew up right by you. You really want to catch one?
Yeah.
You want to catch one really bad? Don't squeeze it hard, don't squeeze it hard.
You're so nice. I'm not gonna feed you. Don't scratch me, don't bite me.
Let it loose there a little bit. We gotta let it go, we can't keep it.
No, I'll put it at the tree at home.
Those things can have kind of bugs and stuff, Bella. Mom would be mad. We can't keep them. His mom's around here to feed him and take care of him. So put him down. Just set him down right there. You got to hold him. It's a live bird. Say bye to him. It was fun to be able to see him. What do you think about that? Hey, that doesn't happen very often. You're pretty lucky.